the first example of the chapter, mean deviation about the mean கேக்குறாங்க. So first நம்ம formula என்ன? Mean deviation about the mean is sigma I equals 1 to n, the total number of observations of xi minus x bar divided by n. So xi minus x bar, now first you need to know what your x bar is, which is your mean. So what is x bar first? Mean deviation கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இது mean, okay? Understand the difference between mean and the mean deviation. Mean na the average value. Mean deviation na how much the values are deviated from one another, okay? So if x bar and sum of all the observations divided by the total observation, correct? So it is I 1 to n of xi divided by n, which will be adding all these values. So 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 divided by what is your number of observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So when I add all these, what do I get? So I have 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 10 is 23. 23 plus 12 is 35. 35 plus 13 is 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. 52 plus 8 is 60. 60 plus 12 is 72. Okay. 72 divided by 8. So my value will be 8 9s are 72. Correct? So 72 divided by 8 is 9. So this is my mean value. Now mean deviation கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So I need to find out what my difference is first of all. Correct? So இப்போ xi value எல்லாம் எழுதுறேன். So xi I have 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8 and 12. Okay? For median I need to arrange the values in the ascending order. For mean it doesn't matter. The order does not matter. Okay? So xi இருக்கு. xi minus a. So what is my, xi minus x bar. So what is my x bar? It is 9. So xi minus x bar in the value edutha, I'll have 6 minus 9, 7 minus 9, 10 minus 9, 12 minus 9, 13 minus 9, 4 minus 9, 8 minus 9, 12 minus 9. So these are the absolute values. Correct? So I'll write them here. So the absolute values will be xi minus 9 or absolute value. 6 minus 9 is minus 3, but the absolute value will be 3. Correct? 7 minus 9 minus 2, the absolute value is 2. 10 minus 9 is 1. 12 minus 9, 3. 13 minus 9. So 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. The absolute value is 5. 8 minus 9 minus 1. The absolute value is 1. 12 minus 9 is 3. Now I need to add all these values. Summation done. So the mean deviation of x bar is add all these values. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4, 5, 1, 3. The whole divided by number of observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So when I add all these values, what do I get? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 5, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So it is 22 divided by 8. 2 table poguma, 2 4s are, 2 11s are. So I have to do 11 divided by 4, which is 4 2s are 8, 3, 30, 4 7s are 28, 2, 0, 4 5s are. So it will be 2.75. So this is my mean deviation about the mean. Correct? So first mean kandupidichittu, appo you have to write the tabular column. The tabular column is very important in statistics. Okay? You'll see a lot of more columns when you're solving bigger questions for grouped data, ungrouped data. Okay? Either we are dealing with ungrouped data. So this is how you solve. This is your mean deviation about the mean. Okay? Example 2, mean deviation about the mean again. Okay, so what is your total number of observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so your total number of observations is 20 and I need to add all these values. So idella add pannona, I need summation of I equals 1 to n of xi, which is I need to add all these values. So ipo rendu add pannittu varen. 13 plus 2 is 15 plus 18 plus 17 is 35 plus 9 plus 4 13 plus 17 plus 19 is 30 36. 36 plus 20 is 56 plus 15 plus 8 and 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 plus 17 is 40 plus 2 plus 3 5. 16 plus 5 21. 21 plus 11 32 plus 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. Okay, plus 0 is the number itself. Okay, the whole divided by 20 we already counted. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி நான் ஏன் எழுதுறேன்னா அப்பப்போ ஆட் பண்ணி போட்டுட்டா it will be easy to calculate. Okay, so இப்போ இதை ஆட் பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும் 15 plus 35. So 15 plus 35 பண்ணா 3 plus 1 4, carry over 1 இருக்கு. So 50. 50 plus 13 is 63. 63 plus 56. So I have 119. 119 plus 40 is 159. 159 plus 32 is 191. 191 plus 9 is 200. Okay. So your summation is 200 divided by 20, which is 10. 0, 0 cancel agum. 2 10s are 20. Okay. So I found out what my mean value is. 10. இப்போ tabular column போடுறதுக்கு இந்த போர்டுல இடம் கிடையாது. அதனால each and every value I'm going to subtract and write. Okay. So I have 12 minus 10. What do I need to do? What is my formula? Mean deviation of x bar is summation of I1 to n of xi minus x bar the whole divided by n. Correct? N and 20. Mala numerator, now I have to calculate. So what will be my values? So I have 12 minus 10. Modulus tha ellame. So 12 minus 10 is 2 plus 3 minus 10 is minus 7. Modulus edutha plus 7 plus 18 minus 10 8 plus 17 minus 10 7 plus 4 minus 10 6 plus 9 minus 10 1 17 minus 10 7 19 minus 10 9 20 minus 10 10 plus 15 minus 10 is 5 8 minus 10 2 17 minus 10 7 2 minus 10 8 plus 3 minus 10 7 plus 16 minus 10 6 plus இன்னும் முடியல இங்க இருக்கு 11 minus 10 is 1 plus 3 minus 10 7 plus 1 minus 10 9 plus 0 minus 10 is minus 10, which is 10. Don't omit the value. அதுவும் இருக்கு. Okay. 0 minus 10 is minus 10. Minus 10 oda absolute value is 10. Then 5 minus 10 is minus 5, which is plus 5. Okay. You have to take the modulus. You have to take the absolute value of all the differences. Okay. மறந்துடாதீங்க. The whole divided by what is your n value? 20. Okay. Now you have to add all these values. Statistics la formulas ரொம்ப கம்மி. Okay, the only problem is with the calculation. The calculations are very long. You have big numbers, நிறைய numbers. இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறதுனால the statistics becomes a little difficult, but with practice you'll get used to it. Okay, easy எல்லாம் ஆகாது. You'll get used to it. போக போக பழகிடும் அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, இப்போ ரெண்டு வேல்யூ ஆட் பண்ணலாமா? I have 8 plus 2 10 மூணு ஆட் பண்ணலாம். Okay, however it's convenient. Okay, 8 plus 2 10 10 plus 7 17. So 17 plus இது மூணு முடிஞ்சது. Now this 7 plus 6 13 13 plus 1 14 14 plus 7 21 21 plus 9 plus 10 19 19 plus 5 24 25 26 26 plus 7 33 8 plus 7 15 15 plus 6 21 22 22 plus 7 29 plus 9 plus 10 19 19 plus 5 24. The whole divided by 20. இப்போ இதை ஆட் பண்ணலாமா? 17 plus 21. So 17 இங்க போட்டா 38. 38 plus 33 is 3 plus 3 6, carry over 1 இருக்கு. So 71. Okay, 71. 71 plus 29 is 900. 71 plus 29 is 100. 100 plus 24 is 124. So I have 124 divided by 20. 2 table la panna poguma, 4 table la pogum. So 4 5s are, 4 3s are, 4 1s are. So 31 divided by 5, which is 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so 6.2 is my mean deviation about the mean. Okay.